What you doing, buddy? Hello? Oh. Hi. I gotta tickle your feet. I gotta tickle your feet. I gotta tickle your feet. What you doing? Huh? You get ready to go swing with Grandma? Yeah, you get ready to go swing? Huh? What you watching on TV? Watching Shrek? Watching Shrek? Hello. You're sitting up pretty good. Well, you're all propped up, but you're still sitting up pretty good. What's going on, little man? How you doing? How you doing? Hello. Who's the handsomest baby in the world? Yes, you are. Most handsome little boy in the world. Boo. Boo. Uh-oh. Bless you. Sneezing make you giggle. The sneezing make you giggle. The battery is dying on this thing. I'm going to have to turn it off. We'll record some more later, okay? Say, see you guys later. See you later.